Tired of struggling with bulky files that are hard to share and eat up your storage space? Well, stick around because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create zip files in Windows 11, making your digital life a whole lot simpler. First, navigate to the location on your computer where the files you want to compress are stored. This could be your desktop, a specific folder in your documents, or anywhere else on your hard drive. Once you're in the right location, select all the files and folders you want to include in your zip file. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse to create a selection box, or by holding down the Ctrl key and clicking on each item individually. With your file selected, right-click on any of them. A context menu will appear. Look for the option that says Compress to Zip File. It might also appear as Compressed Zip Folder. Click on that option. Windows 11 will now create a new zip file in the same location as your original files by default. It will likely be named something like New Folder Zip or similar. You can now rename the zip file to something more descriptive. Just right-click on the file, select Rename, and type in your desired name, for example, Important Document Zip, and that's it. You've successfully created a zip file in Windows 11. Now you can easily share this single, compressed file via email, upload it to cloud storage, or transfer it to a USB drive, saving space and simplifying the process. Inside this zip file you will find all your original files. This compressed format makes it easier to store and share. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.